Okay, we're looking at function notation in action. So this is our function notation here. It's saying f of x is equal to 3x take 4. Previously, we would have written it as y is equal to 3x take 4. And then somebody, a nice math teacher, would ask you, what is y if x is 3? And you would substitute in here for x 3. You would do 3 times 3 is 9, take 4, and end up with 5 being the answer for y. Well, function notation is used in exactly the same way. Here they're saying f of x is this, find f of 3. And what they literally mean is instead of the x, can you replace the x with 3? So instead of 3 times x, we'll have 3 times 3, and we solve, and f of 3 becomes 5. Let's look at another example. Here we have f of x is equal to x squared take 5, but we want to know what f of negative 1 is. So instead of the x in the function, replace x with negative 1. Here it is replacing the x squared there, and solve. Now this can get kind of complicated. So on this one, here it's telling us to replace the x with 1. So 1 squared plus 2 times 1. Here it's telling us to replace the x with negative 2. So minus negative 2 cubed minus 5. Here is where it might look a little bit complicated. It's telling me f of g of x, where f of x is equal to x squared plus x. G of x is its own function. It's still telling me the same thing. Instead of this x, I want you to put g of x in, and g of x is this. So what it will look like is f of g of x, instead of x squared, x plus 5 will be squared because that's what g of x is. And instead of plus x, it's plus x plus 5. Now, of course, you could leave it there, or your teacher might want you to expand this and add up all of the like terms. Now, these questions here are working backwards. Find x if we know the answer. So we're saying that f of x is equal to 13, but f of x is also equal to 4x plus 11. So f of x is also equal to 4x plus 11. Now this is something from way back. All you need to do is rearrange. Move the 11 over here by minusing, and then divide through by the 4, and you'll know what x was in here to make an answer of 13. Good luck, and thanks for watching.